The questions punch holes into the theory of this government that this budget is a visionary budget. The reality is that this budget is a superficial glaze and an illusion without any direction, without any vision, without any roadmap, and without any objectives. You see, it has always been a tradition, a convention, and a rather very healthy one, to place the economic survey, present the economic survey before the budget is presented. What is the reason? The reason is the economic survey is the reality benchmark of the state's economy. The economic survey reflects the health of the state's economy. You see, the state government, in doing what it has, only rendered the budget exercise very uninspiring and is clearly reduced as a non-growth oriented budget. On the agricultural front, if you see, the government may pat on its back and tom-tom, but there is no effective concrete policy which has been announced to bring more lands under agricultural production. There is no concrete steps which have been announced to bring fallow lands under agriculture. There are no announcements in the direction to conceive, provide agri markets to allure and incentivize farmers.